Hello traders. Today I want to show you the entry after liquidity sweep, and it is a reversal entry. How it can be taken, I will show you. 99% of the people try to lose the money, including myself. I had many experiences where I have lost so many dollars, thousands of the dollars. But once I found out this strategy, it is working. Let me show you how it can be taken. See, this is the area where I identified this is the supply and this is the demand zone, support zone, and all the way today it is taken all the way, it is come down till this, and it has taken this liquidity, and this is the liquidity area. This is the liquidity. Once it is swept, it is in the time. Once it is swept, and we can take the reversal entry, but how, I will show you. And this is in the 30 minutes time frame. I'll just show you how it can be taken. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. If you see the market, this is in the New York session. This is in the New York session. See, the price is falling. The sellers are selling pressure is more and more and more, and it is falling so much. And this is a liquidity point where this is the previous day low which is created, and this is in the demand zone. But how much time we have to take the entry? And that is the question. If you see this, if you just see this, the price fallen within a 3 minutes of time to $20, 2000 pips. It is moved down. The sellers buyers are in use, and the market has come down too much, and it has induced, and it has taken all the liquidity. So buyers are induced in this case, and then it has taken all the liquidity. But where we can take the entry is the question. See, first thing, if you ask me if you are looking for the swing trade or positional trading, then you can use 30 minutes time frame, and you can have a entry from this area. But if you want to take only a smaller entry, maybe if you are a day trader, then you can take a entry based on this point, and I will show you how it can be. I use volume profile from where to take, and from where to take to till what price you can take the entry. I'll just show you. I want to take the last starting point of the fall till the from the last falling until the end falling. So the market full sellers are there, and if you see till this I have taken, and this is the point of control. This is the point of control. I can say this area I will call this as a point of control. We cannot take any entry during in the point of control, but we can exit in the point of control because this is the magnet area where more sellers and the buyers have um, orders have been taken place. So from where we can take the data. As soon as the market falls below this, and you can have a limit order from this, you can have a limit order from this. You can just have an entry longer from here until the last point and till this point. We can have the entry up to here. We can have which is giving a $22 move, which is 2297 pips move. And with the 1 is to 2.19 ratio, this is a good risk reward ratio. From here we can take, this is a day trader can take the entry from this way after liquidity sweep, and you are waiting for the price to move below the low of the previous day, which is in the demand zone, and all the way it has taken the liquidity of this point where we have seen in this 30 minutes time frame. I'll just show you in the 30 minutes time frame. If you just look at this is the area, I mean previous day low, and this is the point where all the liquidity has been taken away during the NIAC session. If you see the volume also, and I want to take entry from here till this, I want to take without any further move down or something. And this is a big fall, and which you can even measure before taking the entry. How much you can take, Anta? You can take how much you can take. You can measure. It is a $23 move, and which is having a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2.19. This way we can take the entry and exit and can be profitable. It is very simple. If you just have to understand the process how the market moves, and this way you can have a entry. This is for the day trader. What if you are a swing trader? If you are a swing trader, if you are a swing trader, then you can have an entry from here, this area, till this area. I will definitely say market will definitely move up to this, and it will take all the liquidity which is here either today or tomorrow. Maybe gap up can be happen, maybe gap up can happen until this. You can have a you can take entry up to this level, and there is a so much imbalance also in this, and the price, and there is a gap, clear gap in this. So market will definitely visit this area and may try to shift, or if the buyers holding the market, then it may take the liquidity, maybe a little pushback, and it may come all the way down here till this area. It can come. When it can come, I'll show you how it can happen. Expected move from this very predictable, and we can take an entry like this for the swing traders are positional traders. But how much it will go, it is a probability we do not know. But I have some indicators. One is volume profile, and then another one is Wyckoff theory. Based on this, I can take the entry. But this is, if you are a day trader, this much is enough, and with the 1 is to 2.19 risk reward ratio, it is good. The entry we can have it.